Welcome to Encyclo Hub. My name is Priyansh Jain, and we are discussing about here the MSc Statistics program from Banaras Hindu University. Before starting this, I want to share something. We provide all type of consulting services related to any course. If you have any doubt related to any other courses or any other you want any other help, so you can contact us directly on our WhatsApp number. Right now, we are discussing about the MSc program. So before starting this is the MSc program of Banaras University. This is a postgraduate diploma. This is a postgraduate course in statistics, and this is a 2-year degree course comprising of 4 semesters. There are total 4 semesters, and there are total 80 credits with minor elective papers. So after the completion of this course, you will get the 80 credits. If you get all the 80 credits, so that you are 100%. Now, these are all the patterns. How will you prepare for these exams, and how many marks of the paper, and what is the time duration of the paper, practical exam, everything. Now, here the eligibility criteria of this MSc Statistics. So this is the eligibility criteria. If you have a BSc or BA in 10 plus 2 plus 3 pattern, so you are eligible for this. And candidates whose admission is sought must be honors subject in BA level, subject studied on all three parts at graduate level. For MSc Statistics, a candidate must also have studied in math as one of the subject at the graduate level. So, for admission in MSc Statistics, a candidate must also have studied mathematics as one of the subject as a graduate. So, there is a requirement of the mathematics. If you have a mathematics in your graduation level, so you are eligible for this course. Here are the semester-wise details given here. In the semester one, there are total 6 papers in this semester. After this, there are total seven. After this, there are total one, two, three, four, five. So you have to choose only 2 papers from out of these papers. And semester four. So in semester four, you have to choose only 5 papers out of the number of STMs, right? So basically, not too much, approx 5 to 6 exams every year you have to give. Now these are the details of this, and after this, everything is in the syllabus which you will studies in this course. So survey, sampling, and many more. Okay. So if you have any doubt related to this, you can contact us directly. We will provide all the information accordingly. Thank you so much for watching. We will meet you soon in the next video.